If you want to set a custom notification sound on a Samsung Galaxy S26, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the My Files app that we can find in the Samsung folder that is inside the app drawer. So in the My Files app, what you need to do is you need to find your audio file that you wish to set as a notification sound. In my case, my custom sound is over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press and hold my finger on that file in order to select it. Next, I'm gonna choose the move option at the bottom of this screen. There we go. Now in here, we're gonna tap on the internal storage to go to the main section with all these folders. And you want to go to notifications and you want to move the file over here. Once the file is moved, you can go to settings. Over here, choose sounds and vibration. Then we're gonna go to notification sound. And then if you go to the top of the list, you should be able to find your custom sound that you can set on your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.